So the CSO program is for students in 6th through 12th grade who are looking to be leaders in their community, and STEM is the avenue and the content for teaching them how to be those leaders, how to have a voice, how to advocate for themselves and their fellow students for STEM education.
What did you used to want to be when you grew up?
When I was really young, I'm sure it was something that you see a lot on TV, but the most one that I can remember was a teacher. Yeah, because I saw them a lot.
I want to be some form of engineer or like a creator, because I like gardening, so I'm thinking of like environmental or a builder.
I remember at the end of elementary school, beginning of middle school, I wanted to be a chemical engineer because I thought that working with chemicals and that sort of stuff is really interesting.
So my kindergarten graduation, we had to do speeches. It was probably 3 sentences at most. And I said that I wanted to be a teacher, and my kindergarten teacher took that as I'm robbing her job. She told my mom that I was going to steal her job and that she would be penniless on the streets. But I've always loved teaching people, so I always thought that's what I wanted to do.
A few years ago, when I started doing STEM ecosystem work, we had a presenter from an aviation corporation, and his line stuck with me forever since then, and kids can't be what they can't see. So until we give them that opportunity and that exposure to what's even possible and what's out there, they have no idea what they can even try to become.
When you're really young, you don't really know what all's out there. Like sure, like there's like astronaut or whatever, like you hear about like all those like fun careers in like the media and stuff. But I know every day, day to day, I was going to school and I was seeing what my teachers are doing, and I'm like, oh, that's what you do. That seems really cool. I want to do that.
I think it's really important to expose the students to other careers. It's important for them to know that manufacturing isn't dark and dingy and the one light bulb hanging from the ceiling and no windows. When they look at what we're doing and they see the open space and the brightness, there's an excitement there.
I definitely think it's extremely important to get exposure to all different types of careers, because I have found out since by going through and getting exposed to a whole bunch of careers that I no longer want to be a teacher. I have a lot of respect for teachers, but I just don't think that would be for me.
I think it's important because I would have never known about that career path existing if I hadn't sort of explored my options. When after being exposed more to that and like seeing what chemical engineers really do, or like even other types of STEM careers, I realized that I wanted to shift to something more hands-on and more involved in like music a little bit than something involved in science, but still working with technology.
One, it opened my eyes. I didn't know I wanted to be a doctor until last year. When I got to explore and shadow doctors and see what research entailed and all these other things, and see what jobs I didn't want to do from exploring them. But being able to see all these different jobs that come together and how they work in a broader picture is just so cool to me.
I'm on the school circuit a lot. The enthusiasm sometimes is not relevant until you really start engaging with them. But like I said, as soon as I walked into the room, you could feel that energy, but you can also see the smiles on their faces, and they're looking at you with their eyes, and they're waiting for you to talk. So it was good. It was really, really good to have them here.
Even today, when we were seeing the plant and everything, I thought it was so cool to see how the instruments that I would probably be using one day are made.
By being in the CSO program, I've seen so many different opportunities of where things are actually being applied, rather than just, oh, like conceptually, I know what an engineer does, but actually going and seeing like where they're involved and like what they do.
I hope they walk out with confidence and feel that their voice matters and that their voice can have an impact in anything that they do, whether it's STEM related or not.
It's just those experiences and trying to see what you could do, what interests you, that will help you on that journey to figuring out what you're gonna do. It's not gonna be linear, it's not gonna be fun all the time, but just be open to trying those things.